Here's a small parcel of Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rolls in millimetres. Materials being wetted to help highlight the colours. That white there's the light reflecting, although it has got a white casing on some of the stones, which you'll see in a minute. I'll go a bit closer. Okay, I've just gone a bit closer. Piece semi-crystal. Strong colour bar there. So evident in that one. Bit of colour underneath that topping. Looks like a black centre. Some of these vary in quality, of course. And there's a lot more pieces here to look at. Won't go through them all. Leave a couple for a surprise. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.